weeding in the vegetable garden. Hasn't been a super successful vegetable season, but that's on me. And I've let the weeds get out of hand. However, I'm not gonna let them get out of hand the way they were last year. Last year they were out of control. The whole place was covered in weeds. So I learned my lesson somewhat after last summer. So just gonna continue weeding. So I am a city girl and still a bit of a chicken. So I go through, I know I'm not going to catch anything, or you know, things can still surprise me. But I go through with my rake and I just kind of like let anything know that I'm here. So when you see me do this, that's what I'm doing. Ton of this buttonweed, and I think it's pretty. I just don't want it here. So I don't know. I don't know what to do with it. I don't know if I should transplant it or what, but I've got a plethora of it. Well, it's a new day, and I'm going to show you a couple things that we did yesterday. Yesterday it was so humid. It wasn't even terribly hot, but it was so humid that I couldn't get done as much as I wanted to get done. But feeling good, and yeah. So I'm just going to show you what we got done. But those hydrangeas are loving their kiddie pool. We got some rain, and so they're very, very happy. Okay, so basically what we did was we have our 50-foot hose plugged into the tap, to the spigot. And then we have three soaker hoses that we got from Harbor Freight. And that's what we are running now across our little pumpkin hills. So, not all of the pumpkin seeds sprouted, but a good number of them did. So I'm very happy with that. This section is an assorted mini pumpkins. So everyone's looking good. Here's our hibiscus. That's doing really good. Diana, come over here. And then let's see. Here, this section starts our giant pumpkins. They can get, I don't know, like 80 pounds. We'll see if they get that high. So I gotta fix this one. I wonder if there were some deer that came through here, because this is moved. It's quite possible. Could be deer. Let's see. Yeah, so this is still that was our giant pumpkins. There's some cannas in here. This needs to be tidied up. I got some new pruners so I can do that. Now this section starts it's just assorted pumpkin varieties. So not any particular size, but what I want is like how these are, 2 lengths of the soaker hose going through. That's what I would like. But, Diane, over here. Come. Over here. But we need one more soaker hose to do that. So, yes, I'm excited about all the little pumpkin hills. We'll have to figure out how to keep the grass at bay with the soaker hose out. Unless I just, I don't know, pick up the hose, mow, and... But anyways... So yes, so excited to have pumpkins. So yeah, but I'm going to leave you with these beauties. And look, there's a bunch more coming. Look at that. So with that being said, thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I will see you in the next video. There's always something to do here at the cottage. Bye-bye.